Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make Instagram in black and white. We will start by opening our Instagram app and entering our profile. Then, click on the top drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. Next, we are going to look for the accessibility option and click on it. After that, we will click on dark mode. Here we can manage if we want its status to be on. By activating this option, we can now see our Instagram in black and white. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.